Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off, she gon' hold it down. Please believe. Firearm, we roll around.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy D-Tech World, back with another video. So I went on and got these new headsets for my PlayStation 4. Correct me if I'm wrong, Astro headphones, A10. Hope I said that right. But yeah, I want to check these out. Got these from Best Buy for $59.99, I want to say. Right now I currently use the Turtle Beach something. I can't remember the name, but time for upgrade. Wanted something bigger and better. Only got those Turtle Beaches temporarily, so it was needed at that moment, so I just grabbed those. It was cheap. But went on and got these little upgraded model from what I got. You can use these on PlayStation 4, Xbox One, mobile device. Has a detachable 3.5mm cable, PS4. Also, there's an Xbox version too of these. And I think the Xbox version was $61, I think. A few more dollars. So it's the A10 version. I think it comes in two colors, the black and blue. Then there's the white and blue, I think. So I kind of want the black. I was going to get the white, but let me get the black. Got your bio look like maybe. That side, back side, nice picture. Gaming event look like. It is wired. I do like Bluetooth, but in my defense, wired, you get the most like quality sound out of your headset. My PS3, I used to have the wireless PlayStation headsets and whatnot, and then I had some wired ones. So just my experience and my opinion, I think having a wired headset brings out that quality of that sound, if you ask me. Wireless is good. I like wireless because it's less wires in a way, but I will always probably get wired. Tune with Astro's audio. Hope I'm really saying that right. It's designed for gaming, streaming, and VR. Premium fit and finish. Long lasting comfort. And it is very comfortable. Durable construction. Flip to mute microphone. Thought that was pretty neat. And detachable cable. So this is what it looks like. Cable, headset, really comfortable. I think it is a little flexible as well too. So it's pretty cool, pretty neat. So let's open this bad boy up, shall we? So this is what you get. Empty box. This is what you get in the box. Let's see, stop, do not return your gear to the store. So I guess if anything happens or whatnot, you return it to them. Yes. Nice packaging. I love some packaging. If your product supports firearm updates, download here. I don't think mine's do. After you update fireware, I think I say firearms, rest of your product here. I'll check that out, see if we do, but I doubt it. Have any questions, issues, yada yada. Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube. That's it. I don't need that. Well, smell good. Nice packaging. Your cable. Simple. Simple. Get this packaging open. Alright, this is how it look without the packaging. Got your cables. Nice feel to it, nice texture. Got your volumes, little wheel up and down. Got your branding. And got your cable tips. Headphone got a nice weight to it, nice durable. I like that durable quality weight to it. Feels good in the hands. Nice texture. Headphones on the swivel. Boom. Well, I'm working with one hand, y'all. Bear with me. You got some nice, got your branding on the top. Got your padding right there. Nice cushion on the pads or whatnot. So it really feels good when I put these on earlier. So this is what it looks like when you actually have it on. So feels real comfortable. Got your mic. Nice mic. I think you just flip it up. I think it's supposed to automatically mute. Then flip it down. You got all the way down here. So you can put it closer. So it's real flexible. So this is how it will look. Real comfortable. So what I'm gonna do, play the game, probably play some Call of Duty. Might play a little bit of Spider-Man later. See how the sound, quality of the sound is or whatnot. I got a little time for it's football Sunday, Who Dat Nation. So play about 30 minutes of Call of Duty, get that good sound quality and see how that is. And go from there. I'll let you know how I like it. I'll be back. Stay tuned, baby. All right, y'all. Try the headphones. I played some Call of Duty and I played some Spider-Man. Quality is really good. If you're looking for that nice, decent, quality sound, got a little bass to it. You want a nice upgrade, but not so expensive. $59. Can't really beat it. It's really good quality. Feels really comfortable, better than the ones that I'm using now. Yeah, it's real good. People can hear me great. I can hear people great. I was playing Call of Duty. I can hear people much better when they're coming up. Like if they're running, I can hear them coming. And it really can tell if it was on the left or the right side. And I can really, they help me out a lot. I kill so many people. So, it's a win. Looking for some upgraded headphones. The Astro's A10 headphones is pretty good. Not looking too much money. Don't have too much money to spend. Hey, get these headphones. That's all I got for you today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Don't
mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off, she gon' hold it down.